Holy shit. Didn't know. Head! Oh my god! Head! Head! Rooster! Well, we're back and it is cold today. Doing some pheasant hunting. We just saw 3 birds walking this little corner piece. I'm not sure if we're gonna head over there. But we got me, Evan, we got Brett, Ian, and Tegan, and Brad. So we got 6 of us trying to shoot our 12 birds before noon, hopefully. It's 9:22, so yeah, it should be pretty good. It's cold. It feels like it's like -5, so a little snow on the ground, 3 degrees. But should be pretty good, so you guys stay tuned.
Still have my plug in.
Yeah, I got mine in too. You think you saw 3 roosters going there?
No, they're still walking right now.
Are they?
Right outside. One of them was.
Got your fucking fish, guys. I won't roll.
He's on them here.
Who's it going, boy?
You ready?
I don't know if I can see with a face mask or gloves on.
Right there.
I guess I can.
Right there.
One more right here.
Crack and go home.
Yep.
Yeah, go get a bird. Go get a bird.
You got him? You got him?
3. Could be more.
Come on now.
Head.
Fetch him up, Mel. Come on.
Good start to the day. 3 birds down. Gents.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Midwest Trails and Trails. We're out pheasant hunting today, last day of November. We should probably get going here.
Yeah.
Hey, cock-boom.
Cock-boom. Rooster! Good shot. Rooster! Good shot.
Brad, did you beat him?
I don't believe it. Good boy, Chance. Oh. Bird, Chance. Well, you should see it out here.
Head! Last rooster! Oh shit!
Head! Oh my god! Head! Head! Rooster! Here they are.
Chance, go!
Holy crap. Rooster! Rooster coming around! Oh, go! Go! Get him!
You should have put a canoe length on him.
Head! He's still kicking birds up back here. God, they're getting up there. They're all going up in there. Look at the feathers. Look at the feathers. Head!
A rooster died way up there.
Did he go down?
Yeah.
I bet it was like a lung shot or a heart shot. God dang.
Chance, go! Well, I guess we'll walk in there.
They're gonna be up in that. Well, there's birds getting up there, so. Hey, Roost! Oh, fuck!
What?
There's birds getting up, but they're going back to that corner.
Go!
Ah, Rooster! Fuck!
Hey, come on! Fuck it!
Rooster! Holy shit. Didn't know what to...
Head! Head!
Get it! Chance!
Yeah, Brad, I thought your dog was in the willow.
Head!
What did you get?
No idea. One. I didn't know what to shoot at. I think one went down.
There was like 10
I know they're hard to see too. Chance! Chance!
Head! Greener, Chance.
Right!
Right there!
Yeah! Yeah!
Chance, my bird.
I haven't got it.
My bird, Chance. Ian, go back there.
Come here, Chance.
Hey, I got it. Chance!
Come here, Chance. Chance, come here.
Yeah. Well, we only need 4 more. Kind of got chaotic there for a little bit. We're at 8 right now. And we should get it in the next spot, hopefully. But it's still pretty cold out. So, yeah, it's been pretty good so far. Birds have really been grouped up today. Once we find them, we kick up like 20, so.
Nelly, get out of there.
We've noticed they're in the willows, so we're not really gonna bother with anything else besides willows. They're a pain to walk, but that's where the birds want to be, so you guys stay tuned.
So in this What? What do you say?
No idea.
Tiger, what?
I made it about an inch.
I didn't think it was that bad yet.
Look at him go. Hey, is he coming now? Oh, go get him. Go get him. Well, we just got another one down. So we're at 10 now. My GoPro's froze up, so I'm gonna try and film on the phone a little bit, but let's see how it goes. Well, that is gonna wrap up our video today. It was a pretty good day of pheasant hunting. Really cold. It feels like was I think -15 when we started, -10 or 15. And like I said, I got toward the end of the hunt, and the GoPro was freezing up, so I missed our last 2 birds. And then I tried to film on my phone, and that died. It was so cold. But yeah, it was just a cold, and it was a windy day, but I got really bad wind burn on my face. But we couldn't bring Molly today. I'll try and show. I'll put a picture of her eye right here. We think she got stabbed in the eye the last 2 days we've been pheasant hunting. It's looking a lot better right now. We got her into the vet, and she's doing a lot better. I was just worried maybe she was blind of that eye now. But she's looking a lot better now, so she had to rest today. She was not happy about it, but yeah, so we ended with 10 birds, 2 short of our limit. We actually got our limit though. Just couldn't find them. So yeah, hopefully we get on a few more pheasant hunts. December is tomorrow. So you'll probably see this on December 1st. It's November 30th today. But yeah, how's your eye doing? You can see it to that. Molly, 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 Molly. Hey, how's your eye? Hey. Oh, it's looking a lot better now. Yeah. But anyway, we did some ice fishing tonight. Didn't have much luck, caught one. Hopefully we're gonna get doing that a little more here. We got about 5.5 inches of ice, and they already got 4-wheelers on the lakes, so it's a good sign. It's good ice too, so we're excited. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you on the next.